Yes, thank you. Shravan, please join your hands, close your eyes. Yes, okay. Roshan, your eyes are open. Sai Chandni, your eyes are open. Tisha, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay. Kids anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. A big good evening to all your friends there. Say good evening. Yes, very good. Today I'm going to show you the old picture only. Let me get that. You remember I showed you this picture long back. Superheroes. See, Batman is there, Spider-Man is there, Captain America. Lakshra, you have the same dress, right? Superman is there. Hulk is there. Shravan knows Hulk, right? He showed us during the toy talk time.
I can't see it.
You don't see it? Give me a moment. I'll show it. Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm going to show it. Yes, Dayanand, tell me.
I have Hulk mask.
You have Hulk. Okay. See, are you able to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, all these small, tiny superheroes, they have come to say a big good evening to you all. Okay. See, there is a spider on her dress. Here also there is a Spider-Man here. There is a Captain America here. Hulk here. And then a Batman and a Superman. Okay. So now, you know, one of our friends' birthday is today. You know whose birthday is that? It's Lakshita's birthday. We are all going to sing happy birthday to Lakshita. Okay, shall we all sing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Lakshita. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
May God bless you.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Nice, this Lakshita. See, all your friends have sang birthday for you. Very nice. I see the birthday banner strings there. Let me zoom and see what all is there.
Thank you.
Wow. Very nice dress you have got and nicely made up. Very nice. Sit down. There is a birthday banner there at the back. Yes, you got a birthday hat too. Very nice, Lakshita. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
You happy?
Yes.
Yes.
What did you eat in the morning today? What sweet did you eat?
Sweet pongal.
Or what chocolate did you have?
Sweet pongal.
Oh, you had sweet pongal. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So you're welcome, Lakshita. Okay, so before we start our session, I hope everybody are ready with the house drawing and the bamboo stick. I saw some of you have already done it. No problem. So if you're not, please get help from your parents to get ready for the activity. We are not going to do now, but we'll do it today before the end of the class. Okay? Okay then. So now, quickly we'll do a warm-up exercise.
Good evening.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Gautam. Good evening, Gautam. Okay. So quickly we'll do a warm-up exercise. Yes, stand up. No sitting and doing exercises. You have to stand up. Stand up, up. Everybody. Okay. I see. Yes, everybody stood. Okay. Now when I say sit, you should all sit. Half sit. Okay. See. Ma'am will show you. Give me a moment. I'll just. Okay. So when I say stand, you're all standing, right? When I say sit, you will all sit down. When I say half sit, you should sit like this. And then hands like this. Okay, you know what is this? It's like kangaroo pose. It's called kangaroo pose. Okay, how do you do that? See, I'll just move. See, ma'am is standing and then half sitting and hands like this. Okay, anybody do and show? Let me see if who is doing half sit. You should not sit fully. Half sit like this. Let me get my camera down. See, ma'am is sitting half sit. Okay, so stand, you should stand. Sit, you should sit down. When you say half sit with hands like this. Ready? Okay, ma'am is going to sit. I'm going to watch how you people are doing. Okay, please don't do it on the chair or something. Please get onto the floor. Okay, let's start now. Sit, sit, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Arav Akshat, sit down. Stand, stand. Half sit with hands stretched, half sit, hands like this. Yes, sit, half sit, half sit. See, your knee should not bend. See, ma'am is showing. See, like this, like this. Don't sit like this. Okay, like this. Half sit. Yes. Stand, stand properly. When you stand, you should raise your hands up. Okay, quickly we'll do 2 times. Everybody stand. Same position. Stand, stand, stand. Hands up and stand. Okay. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Quickly. Okay. Stand up. Up. Stand up. Up. Half sit. Kaushik, are you doing, Kaushik? Lisha, are you doing, Lisha? Half sit. Yes. Okay. Come back to your place. Okay. So quickly we'll mark our attendance and then we'll go to the next activity. Okay. I'm going to sing a new rhyme today. You're going to listen that rhyme. Okay. Then you can sing and show me the other rhymes. We'll start. I'm going to mark the attendance. I'm going to start with Adya Shri.
Here I am, ma'am.
Adya.
Here I am.
Arav.
Here I am.
Arav.
Here I am.
Akshat. Arjun. Arjun. Dayan. Gautam.
Here I am. Here I am.
Ritvik. Jayakrish.
Here I am.
Kaushik. Perfect, Kaushik. Kavan.
Here I am.
Kavan. I saw Kavan. He joined early today. Where is Kavan? Okay. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan. Have you joined us today? Okay. Lakshita ji.
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshraj.
Here I am.
Disha. Lakshita S. Lakshita S. No, okay. Satvik.
Here I am.
Nivin Surya.
Here I am.
Thank you, Nivin Surya. Roshan.
Here I am.
Mahaswin.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am.
Rayan. Okay, Mahaswin. Thank you. Rayan. Okay. Sai Charan,
Here I am. Here I am.
Izan. Yes, Rayan, you're back. Tell me, Rayan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Rayan. Good evening, Rayan. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine.
Very good. Izan has not joined us. Shiva. Shiva. Yeah, Shiva. Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Shravan. Varnika, you and Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good.
Here
Okay.
I am.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So what we are going to do today is you are going to remind me. If I forget anything, you're going to remind me today. First, we are going to do houses. Okay, we are going to recall houses. Then we are going to trace alphabets A to D, running alphabets, cursive. Okay. Then we are going to do bamboo house. Okay. And then if we have time, then we will do greater than and less than. Okay, children, if we do greater than less than, if we have time, then I'll show you these crocodiles. Okay, I've got numbers here. I have got numbers here. You're going to help me. Where will the crocodile open the mouth? Will you all help me? Will you all help me for that? Yes, show me thumbs up. Let me see how many people are ready to help me. Thank you so much, children. You're ready to help me. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Who is that, ma'am? Yes, Aicharan, tell me.
You showed the letter and lesson. It is in the worksheet, ma'am.
Yeah, we have it in the worksheet. Yes, if we have time, we'll do that. Okay, or else we'll do it on next week or on Monday. Okay, so first we are going to do our houses. We have been learning houses, right? For the last four days. Okay, so I want somebody who has not sang the rhyme. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay, Gautam, can you sing the rhyme Fly, Fly, Butterfly, Gautam? Gautam?
Fly, fly.
Is my voice audible? Am I clear?
Ma'am. Yeah, sing. Fly, fly.
Fly, fly, butterfly.
Okay. Can Gautam come
Overall, pretty flat. Fly, fly, butterfly.
Very good, Gautam, but I was not able to see your face, Gautam. Are you busy out there? Something?
Is it okay, ma'am, right now?
Okay. So quickly we'll do our work. I'm not able to see your face, ma'am. I have logged in the name of Uma Maheshwari Tangarajan. Yeah, now I can see.
You also sing one more time. Is it audible for you or?
Good, Gautam. Very good. It was clearly audible, but I was not able to see the video. Visual, I was not able to see, but audio was very clear. Can you all give a big round of clap for Gautam? Very good, Gautam. Very, very good. Okay. Am I audible and clear? Is my audio clear for you? Audio and video? Can anybody show me the
Video is stuck, ma'am.
I'll get to know. Clear. Video is struck. Video is struck, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Blur.
Oh.
It is blur, ma'am. We are not able to see you properly.
It's not clear. Okay. It's blurred. Okay. Just give me a minute. Who is that making? Who is making that sound? Is it Kavan? Okay, give me a minute. I'll just try connecting with the other one. I think it's little low. Okay. Is it still the same? Is my voice audible?
Voice is audible,
Is
but
my voice audible?
voice is
No.
audible, but video is only blur.
Okay, I'll just share the screen. Let's see before that it gets proper or not. I'm just sharing the screen. Let me know if you're able to see the screen clearly. If not, my face, at least the PPT I'm showing. Are you able to see my screen? Is it blurred?
It is clear.
Ma'am, this is clear for me.
I can
It's clear
hear
only.
you, but okay, okay. So for igloo, we learned. What is the spelling for igloo? Mahasan, can you help me read out the spelling for igloo? Mahaswin, can you read out the spelling for igloo? I'm showing you
The
igloo, right?
definition is not there.
Right,
Definition is not there.
Can you read out the spelling
Now
I?
it's okay.
O O
Mali first I.
I
G
L
L O
O O
L
I-
O
igloo. Yes, igloo. Okay.
Appa
Yesterday I found somebody. I stopped with few people. Rest of the people didn't get the chance to stay, right? So I'm going to start with Shiva. Shiva, can you help me read the bamboo house spelling? Shiva. Bamboo. B.
B A M B O O N O
Bam.
B
H. H. H.
O
H.
H O U S E bamboo sticks. Bamboo house.
Very good. Perfect. Bamboo house. Bamboo house. Very good. Very good. Okay. Then I'm going to call Shravan. Shravan, can you help me read this? What is this picture, Shravan? Tent. Can you help me read this? T.
T
Yeah. Please
E
read T.
E N T Tent.
Tent. Tent. Yeah, Shravan. Thank you. Okay. Then Varnika, can you help me read this? What is this type of house?
Tea house.
Very good. Perfect. Varnika, tree house. Can we read that together? Tree. T.
Lovely.
R
R.
E
E.
S O U S E. House.
One more E. Tree. Okay, tree. Perfect, Varnika. Perfect. Vivansai, can you help me read this? What is this? I'm not going to say. You're going to say, what is this? Vivansai.
Caravan.
Perfect. Can you read with me? Can you read the
A
spelling?
R A V A N
good, caravan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, I think I started with Dvitvik yesterday, right? So I'm going back here. Okay, Adya is going to help me for the next word. Okay. Adya, what is this type of house? Down there is lot of water. What is this house?
Tilt house.
Very good. Still out. Can we read the spelling now together? S.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. T-I-L-T-H-O-U-S-E.
Very good. Stilt house. Perfect. Arav, can you tell me what house is this? Straw house. Can we read? R. Here, read this. Read. A. Straw house. Very good. Akshat, can you read this? This one. What is this picture I'm showing you? What is this? What is this? Perfect. Read boathouse. B. Read the spelling. Please read the spelling. B. Boat. H.
Ma'am, is it not audible, ma'am? He's spelling, ma'am.
I heard that. He's reading it again. I heard two voices.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Both are fighting, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I heard two voices. That's why I got confused. Finishing a house, so I just moved on next one. Okay. Yeah, Arjun, can you read this word? What is this house, Arjun? Apartment. Arjun?
What?
Arjun.
What?
Arjun?
Yeah.
Can you read it with me?
Hello, can you hear us? Hello.
No, clear, not clearly, ma'am.
Can you hear us now?
Much better, yes. I am not able to hear you. I don't know if it's only me. Okay. Okay, the voice is very feeble, ma'am, but I was able to hear him. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Arjun, the voice was very feeble, but I was able to hear the spelling. Okay. So then, who else is left out? Okay, Dayanand and Gautam are going to help me for the worksheet. Okay, let's all take this worksheet. This is what we are going to do. It's day 20, concept WS01. Can you please take the worksheet? Dayanand, you got a new worksheet? Please take the worksheet, write your name. Please don't unmute, children. I'll show you the worksheet. It's like this. This one. Are you all having the same thing in your book? Are you all having the same thing? Dayanand, can you please mute? You have something to tell, or you can mute? Okay, thank you. So please take your worksheet. Write your name, and today's date is 10th July. 10th July is Lakshita's birthday. So it's 10/7/2020. Write your name and write your date. Write today's date. quickly we're going to do the worksheet. Then only we'll have time for the activity also. So,
Miss, what is the page?
We got it. Ah,
this is the page. Do you have the same page here?
yes.
It's D20 CTWS01. Check if you have the houses. Yes, okay. Okay, if Gautam and Dayanand and one more name what I read out. Yes, Gautam and Dayanand, if you have finished writing a name, you're going to help me for this worksheet. Dayanand finished writing a name and date. Dayan, can you please unmute? Okay. Okay, tell me what is the first type of house, Dayanand? Is it a tent? No. Is it a bungalow?
It's Baba.
It's bungalow. Yes, bungalow. So we are going. Yes, bungalow. So you. So join bungalow. Done. Everybody, are you all with me? Are you all the same page with me? There is water, so they have built it up. What is the type of house which is built up? Stilt house.
Tilt house.
Stilt house.
Said house.
Stilt house. Okay, stilt house. Now I'm going to ask Dayanand is done. I'm going to ask Gautam. Gautam, do you see the green color? What is this house?
The
Tent. Very good. So I'm going to join tent. Tent. And what is the next one? Gautam, what is the next one?
Caravan.
Very good. Cup caravan. C. And last, I'm going to ask you one side. What is this? Even the blue color. And say it as building or apartment. Yuvansa, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yuvansa, are you hearing me? Okay.
Yes.
That's building or apartment. Yes.
Building or apartment.
Has everybody? Perfect, Yuvansa. Thank you so much. So have you all joined this? First one is bungalow. Yuvansa, tell it with me. First one is bungalow.
Yeah.
Stilt house. I can't hear you, Yuvansa. Stilt house.
Still house.
Tent.
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 Tent. Tent.
Caravan.
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 Caravan. Building.
Building. Then building. Yes. So if we have finished this, we are going to move on to this simple worksheet. If we have finished this concept houses, we are going to move on to this worksheet.
Ma'am, I can't found it.
It's SR D20 LT. Oh, this is homework worksheet. We'll have one more similar thing. Worksheet. Okay, so we'll do that as a homework.
The hand assignment.
Please take this worksheet. Is anybody have
We have another worksheet,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sai Charan, you want to ask something?
Excuse me, ma'am. We have
There is so much. Please, others stay on mute. Yes, we are going to do this worksheet. What Shiva is showing me is right. We are going to do that worksheet. Okay, what Lisha is showing me.
It is, ma'am, it is tracing of ABCD. Cousin.
Yes, we are going to do tracing of ABCD. Yes, we are going to do tracing of ABCD. You're right. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Are you all seeing my screen? Sachin, do you have the same worksheet with you? Tracing ABCD? Yes, Sachin? Yes, very good. Can you all take this worksheet? And those who are writing in the rough note, we are going to write A, B,
Yes, ma'am. We have the same.
C, D, all the four together. Okay?
This one.
Okay, thank you. I'll come and check. Give me a minute.
Ma'am, it is this one. Hi,
Who is
Charan, ma'am.
showing me? Who is showing me? I'm not able to see you. Wait, give me a minute. Sai Charan. Yes, Sai Charan, I'm not able to see your video. I'm showing you the worksheet. Yes. You will have 3 and then A, B, C, D. Can you bring
Yes, ma'am. I have it.
it closer?
Ma'am, I have it, ma'am.
You have okay, take that. Okay, ma'am is going to write A. First, we are going to write capital. Okay, capital running letters. You're all going to write with me one time. Okay, so let's start now. I'm going to take my black pencil. I'm going to start writing A. How do you write A? Start from the second blue line. Go up till the red line. Come down. A. I repeat, I'm going to start from the blue line, go up, come down, A. I'm writing it again. Slanting line, go up, come down, A. Are you all writing? Yes. Shravan, are you writing? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to write B. Okay, you're going to write along with me B. Put a 1. Go back. Up, up, up. Touch the red line. Blue line. B. B. Okay, Dayan is writing, Satvik is writing, Adya is writing, Arav Akshat, yes. Ryan is writing. Who is on video off? I don't know who is that. Kavin, start writing, Kavin. Maswin is writing, Roshan is writing, good. Don't keep the pencil inside the motor, Ryan. Take it out. Start writing. Okay, then ma'am is going to write C now. Okay. Yes, anybody have? Yes, Arjun. We are writing worksheet, Arjun. What, Arjun? You're back. You went out somewhere. Okay. Take this. Okay. Take this worksheet, Arjun. What, Arjun? Okay. Start writing. Write your name. Put today's date. Today's date is 10/7/2020. And then start writing A. Okay, Arjun?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm going to write C. C. Now last I'm going to write D.
Small B.
One.
Ma'am. Small B.
Let's finish capital letters and then I'm going to write small. See, I'm going to write capital D now. One, bend here, up, go like this and then D. If you don't know, I'm going to write again. Stop writing. First listen and then you can write. If anybody don't know, if you know, continue writing. If you don't know, stop writing. Look at the screen. Ma'am is writing. Can learn and then write. First, I'm going to write. Those who don't know, stop writing. Listen. I'm going to write A. Slanting line. Come down. Put like this. A. Slanting line, go up, touch the red line, come back, put a small C. That will give you A. B. 1, backward bend, go up, touch the red line, put 3. That will give you D. See, already you know it's very similar to the normal C. Okay. D like D. 1, bend like this, put a straight line, put a curve, invert that C and then D.
Ma'am.
Very good. Very good. If you're finished,
Yes.
you can start writing small ABCD with me. Okay. Please don't unmute. Okay. Okay. I'm going to write small ABCD. Start from the blue line. Go to first blue line. Put a C. Close the C and then write like this. I saw many of you who have the homework, no, they have written like this. You should touch both the blue lines. Slanting line, touch the blue line, put a C like this, close the C and then write A. And for B, shall we write B now? Let me see. Okay, I think Arav Akshat is showing me. Okay. Okay, all are writing. I'm seeing you. Okay, very good. Good children.
Roshan.
Nivin Surya is writing. Kavin is writing. Mahaswin is writing. Yes, very good. Very good, Dayanand. Good, Arav Akshat. You can keep your notebook down. I saw that. Roshan, very good, Roshan. You can keep it down. Mahaswin is writing. Shravan, I think he's finished. Varnik is writing. Okay. Disha is writing. Shiva is writing. Okay. Adya is writing. Okay. Okay, I'm going to write slowly. You're writing very fast and very good. So I'm going to write B now, slanting line. Very good, Adya. Very good, Adya. I'm going to come down. Right? B.
Ma'am,
What is that?
ma'am. Also, I write
Yes, Sachin. Very good. Okay, Sachin. Very good. Okay, Sachin. Good. I saw that. Very good.
ma'am,
Super. Yes, you inside.
ma'am, I finished.
I will see each one of you. Okay. Don't
Ma'am, I
finished. Very good. Don't unmute. Yes, Jayakrish. Very good, Jayakrish. Very good. Yes, Roshan. Good. Yes, Shiva. Good. Dayanand. Good. I saw that, Dayanand. Jayakrish is so happy. Ah, I finished ABC. Don't ask me to write again. Yes. Okay. Mahaswin. Good, Mahaswin. Good try. Okay. So let me complete it. See, I have not written small ABC. You people have finished so fast. So I'm going to write C now. Slanting line, touch here. C. Slanting line, touch here, and then C. And then I'm going to write D. Slanting line, touch here, go back, and then D. Okay, if everybody has finished, then show me. We'll start. I'm going to sing a rhyme for you. A small, quick rhyme. If you have finished, let me know. I think some of you are writing. Okay. You have finished? Some of our friends are writing. We'll give them some time. Yes, Kaushik. Yes, Kaushik.
yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kaushik. What about Kumara Guruparan? Very good, my friend Kumara Guruparan. Where are you? What about Lakshita ji, birthday baby, Ryan? Have you all finished? If you have finished, show me thumbs up. Sai Charan, please stay on mute. Yes, Gautam. Good, Gautam. You trace. Very good. You can write later. At least trace once. That is enough. Yes, Adya. Very good. Yes, Dayanand is writing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Lisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good, Gautam. Okay. What about Ryan? Ryan and who did I call? Yes, Lakshita. Very good, Lakshita. Happy to see you. Okay, what about Ryan? Shravan, okay. Yes, Shravan. Good, Shravan. Very good. Welcome. Okay, Ryan. I think Ryan, can you show me what are you writing? What about Grithvik? Grithvik, are you finding it easy to write Grithvik? Yes? Okay. Okay, so I think most of you have finished. I'm going to stop sharing. You're all going to see me. Okay, I'm going to sing a new rhyme. Okay, if you know the rhyme, you can sing with me or else you can listen. Okay, we'll learn next week. From next week onwards this rhyme. Okay. Okay. So what are we learning this week? We are learning ABCD, right? We learned cursive A, cursive B, cursive C and cursive D. So I'm going to first sing for A sound. Oh, okay. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they are causing me alarm. That means what? When, for A, what can you say? Ants, arm, alarm. Three words you can say for A. What is sound for A? Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they are causing me alarm. So what is the next letter of A? B. Yes? B. What is sound for B? B. What is sound for B? B. 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 Okay? Yes. What is sound for B? B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your... Who is that? Can you please stay on mute? I will see all your notebooks later. Okay? Very good, children. Stay on mute. Okay? Hear the sound. Hear the sound for B. Okay? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. What is sound for B? B. Okay? Next letter is, what did we learn after B? C, right? We learned C. C, what is on for C? K. K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. Okay, so sound for C is K. Next is what? What is the next letter? D. 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 See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. I'll sing one more time. Sound for D is what? D. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. D. Okay, so we learned 4 sounds. We recalled, you already know, we recalled 4 sounds. A, hands on my arm. B, b, b. Bring the bat and bring the ball. C, k. Clicking castanets. K, k. D, we play on the drum. Drum. D. Okay. So the things I wanted to tell you. Now we'll quickly do the bamboo house. Get papers and the sticks. And the sticks. Are you all able to see me? Okay. Okay, are you all with me? Can you hear me? Can you all hear me? I can see Sai Charan moving. I cannot see others moving. Yes. Okay, can you all take this?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, can hear me. Okay. Now, I think now it's clear. Can you all take this house? Did you all hear the rhyme as song? Diana, tell me. Diana? Okay, no problem. Others, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Who's that?
you're stuck. Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Is it stuck? But I'm able to see you all. Just give me a minute. Is it stuck still?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have full Wi-Fi here. I don't know why. Okay, quickly, can you all take the bamboo? Can you hear me? Can you all please take this bamboo sheet and the sticks? I'm able to see you all clearly.
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take the glue and stick it over here and make a bamboo house. Okay, I'm going to do here. Okay, and you are going to do it with the help of your parents there. Okay, nobody is coming to help me at my home now. You are all doing in your home, right? So what are we going to do? Gautam, what are we going to do, Gautam? What is this house we are going to do today?
House.
Bamboo house.
Yeah, bamboo house. Shall we all do? I think some of you have done already at home. Those who didn't do, you're going to do with me. Okay, we're going to stick the sticks on this house. Okay, I'm going to take my glue. Okay, and then I'm going to stick it here. Okay. the ma'am is doing here. Yeah. Please stick it here. So are you all sticking there? Let me see. I'm doing it very slowly. I think you all will finish before I finish it over here. I know my children are very fast in doing. They already wrote ABCD much faster than me. So let me see how far I am going to do. I don't want to touch with my hand as I'm using my keyboard here. So I'm just trying to do that. I am almost done. I'm going to finish this. I got a little house. Yesterday I did a big house. I shared you the picture, right? This is a bit smaller one.
It's not for money, they are not going
I'm halfway done. I'm yet to complete it. I'm just doing it, okay? So if you have time at home, you can try doing igloo house also. If you have cotton, you can just make a semicircle, stick the cotton and make an igloo house at home during Saturday and Sunday. If you are free, you can try. I thought this bamboo house will be a bit easy. So see, I'm at to stick the doors properly. I just got a small bamboo house. Why are you closing your eyes, Grathvik?
No, close your eyes.
You're not closing your eyes. Show me your bamboo house. Let everybody see your bamboo house. You showed me right that time. Show it to everyone, all your friends will see. Yeah, somebody has colored it. Very good, Diana. It's look nice. Very good. You got a chimney at the house. Very good, Diana. It's nice. Bamboo house, very nice. You can. I'll just zoom it. We can take a picture of it too. Very nice, Diana. Can you show it? Can you show it? Hold it like this and show me. Yes. You little. I have to see your mouth also. Little down. Yeah, perfect. Very good, Dayanand. House looks very neat. You colored it? Very good. Very good, Gautam. Let me see your house. Very nice bamboo house. Very nice. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, let me see who is showing. Who has finished? Gritvik, I was about to see you. Where are you, Gritvik? You finished already. Like, Saichan, you can also show your bamboo house.
No.
Let everybody see your bamboo house. I'll come back. After Saichan, I'm going to come to you, Gritvik. Okay, get ready with the sheet. Yeah, Saichan has got it. Yes, show me Saichan. Very nice, Saichan. You can color it later, okay? Very nice. Yes, Gritvik is going to show me. Where is your house, Gritvik? Show us the house. I didn't see that time. Your friends didn't see. You showed me, right? Yeah, perfect. That's so nice, Gritvik. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I saw that. Yes, who is showing me? Shiva. Shiva is showing me, right? Okay, Shiva. Shiva or somebody? I think it's Shiva. Okay. Very nice, Shiva.
Ma'am, I
Okay, Adya is showing me now. Adya, show it on near your shoulder so that we can see your face and take a photo. Show it on your shoulder like this. Adya, see, I'm showing like this. So my face is also seen. The photo is also seen. Yes, yeah, like that. Very nice, Adya. It's nice. Nice house. You can color it later, okay? After it gets dry, you can color it. Okay. Yeah, Gautam, I saw that. Somebody who's finished. Let me see. Okay. Kaushik is going to show me. Getting ready. Okay, Lakshita is showing me. Very nice, bamboo, Lakshita. Neat and simple. Nice. Classy. Good.
yellow.
Okay, Roshan is going to show me. Yes, Roshan. Little bit down. I'm not able to see your face, Roshan. Yes. Perfect. Nice bamboo house, Roshan. Will you give me that house, Roshan? Will you give me that house? No. Okay. Yes, Shravan.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shravan. Very nice. That's a green bamboo house. Very nice, Gautam. Shravan. Nice, Gautam. Shravan, sorry. Good, Shravan. Okay. Okay. Yes, Arav Akshat is showing me. Akshat's house or Arav's house? Akshat's house. Such a big door you've got. Even nice, Akshat. What about Arav? He's sticking? Okay. Very good, Arav. Keep doing.
I'm Kavin.
Kavin. Okay. Show me Kavin. Nice house. So realistic. Very nice, Kavin. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Then who else? What about my friend Arjun, Rayan?
Even though you're ma'am.
Who is showing me? Nivin Surya. Very good, Nivin Surya. It looks nice, Nivin Surya. Okay, Rayan is showing me the pink colored house. You did it with a matchstick. Very nice, Rayan. I will come to you. Please stay on mute. Please stay on mute. That helps us everybody. Please. Yes, Rayan. Nice, Rayan.
Please, Tamman, not sticks.
Okay. Matchstick. Yeah, I see that. Okay, that's your bamboo house. Okay, I'm going to come to Jay Krish was saying something. Yeah, Jay Krish, tell me. Nice. You got windows and doors. Very nice, Jay Krish. That's a nice house.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then who else? What about, yeah, Lisha is showing me. I'm coming, Lisha. Wow, you got colorful house and ice cream sticks and bamboo sticks. Very nice, Usha. Can you just hold it like this and show me? We'll take a photo. Like this, like this, like this. Nice, Isha. You drew sun, you drew birds, clouds. Such a nice window, so beautiful. Very nice, Isha. Yes, Lakshraj. Lakshraj, very nice, Lakshraj. Nice window and doors. Yeah, you sticked it. Good.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice, Lakshraj. Satvik, have you finished? Who else? I didn't see. Kumara Guruparan, have you finished? Kumara Guruparan. Satvik, very nice, Satvik. Good job.
Good.
Kumara Guruparan, are you there? No, right? Kumara Guruparan is absent today, so he'll not be there. Okay. I saw Arav. I saw. Okay. Arjun, have you finished, Arjun?
I finished one only. I finished.
Show me. Wow, so nice, Arjun. You got 2 houses, twin houses.
Yes.
Nice, Arjun. Very nice.
Excellent, Kaushik.
Yeah, Kaushik, I saw your house. You already showed me, no? Nice. Good, Kaushik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Varnika, what are you doing, Varnika? Can I see your house?
Ma'am.
Very nice, Varnika. You're coloring and drawing. Keep doing. Very nice, Varnika.
Ma'am.
Who is that,
Why
ma'am?
did you unmute, ma'am?
Okay. Sachin, I saw. Okay, I saw. Alisha, I saw. Okay, Lakshraj, I saw. Adya, I saw. Grutvik, I saw. Jaykrish, I saw. Yuvansai. Yuvansai, show me Yuvansai. What about your house? Very nice, Yuvansai. Superb. Can you show me your face? I'm not able to see your face properly. Yes. And the house like this. Very nice, Yuvansai. Good. Good. Okay. Yes, Satvik I saw. Yeah, Roshan I saw. Roban, Arshavan I saw.
You have to wash
Dhananjay
your
I saw. Okay. Yes. Didn't I see anybody? I left out anybody? No. Okay.
Just a culture.
So, okay, children. Jaykrish, please mute Jaykrish. That help us, everybody, please. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. No problem. Okay. So, what did we do? We recalled houses. We learned the spelling of houses. Yes, igloo, and then boat house. We learned apartment. All the houses spelling we learned. We did the worksheet. Then we wrote capital ABCD and small ABCD cursive. And did you all hear? I'm going to ask somebody. Roshan, did you hear what ma'am song? Answer me that. Did you hear that song?
Yes.
Yes. Did you hear D? Play the drums. That did you hear?
Yes.
Okay. It was clear?
Yes.
Okay. We'll sing from Monday. You will sing with me on Monday? Okay. So that we sang and then we did our bamboo house. So those who all have done your bamboo house, you can if you have not colored it, you can color it and write your name. So thank you so much. Everybody did the bamboo house perfect. Before we wind up, I'll share the homeworks, okay? Except for the greater than less than, we'll do it on Monday. So that homework sheet you need not do because we didn't learn. Okay, if we didn't learn any worksheet, you need not do that as a homework. Okay, what we have learned, that alone you do as a homework. I'll show this homework now, explain, then we'll move on. Okay. So you will have the homeworks like this. So you will have to trace small a and then capital A, small b and then capital D. So this worksheet will be one of the homework. So you will trace capital A, B, C, D. And this is matching. Okay, before we wind up, I'll just say. So first one is cat, right? Cat, cat. So we have to match C against it. So what they have said, so you have to match. So this one is cat, right? So you have to match with C. This one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is that page?
Sai Charan, that's a homework. You will have it in your sheet. I'm just explaining you the homework. You need not take it now. Okay. So bat, bat. So you have to match it with B. This one is what? I said ants. So ant. Then the last one is doll. So D. So you have to match it with D. Okay. So this is what is the homework. And then this is the matching the color. So you can do this worksheet as a homework because this is coloring. Okay, please do this as a homework. I'll send you the homework sheet just for instruction. I'm just saying you. So this will be one homework, and this is tracing, and this 3 is only the homework sheet. This you need not do because this we can do it next week also, and this we learn and then do next week. These 2 worksheets we'll do next week. So even if there's a homework worksheet, you need not do this. Okay, children. So did you all like the bamboo house? I liked all your bamboo house. So innovative and creative. Many of it is very nice. Okay. So till then, you have 2 days holidays. So everybody complete your homework sheet. Please practice capital ABCD and small ABCD running, cursive handwriting. And then color the shapes. Third one, you match the letters. Okay. Will you all do this? Shall I give you one more homework? Shall I give you one more homework with maths? Yes, I'll send you. No, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So I'll send you that. We'll do this on these 2 days. And Monday, we are going to learn new things. This week we learned houses, right? Next week, we're going to learn something new. Okay? Till then, sorry. Take care, children. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Meet you on Monday. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.